we never kneel. True men of honor, born to lead. We plant the manifesto like a burning seed, living by the code, the sacred three. Honor, loyalty, love set us free. We raise our hands, we stand and fight. We scream it out into the night. Hail the light, hail the light. We walk the path of the pure and bright. The only law is the one we chose. We crush the spirit of all our foes. Hail the light. I hear the whispers of the rats and the snakes, watching for the moment that the spirit breaks. But we don't care if the snitches die. Let them bleed out, let them rot, let them fry. They can go fuck themselves deep in the dirt. We don't feel pity, we don't feel hurt. The traitors fall, they fade to black, but we march on and we never look back. We raise our hands, we stand and fight. We scream it out into the night. Hail the light, hail the light. We walk the path of the pure and bright. The only law is the one we chose. We crush the spirit of all our foes. Hail the light. They think death is the end of the show, but we know something they don't know. We aren't afraid to take that breath. We aren't afraid of a little death. When the darkness comes to take our side, we go to the light. Hail the light. So keep your circle tight and true. This life is on.